Hi everyone, it's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today, we put these little mini greenhouses together. Something we picked up, they were on sale. And once the seeds we have start to germinate, we're gonna pop them in here. This is so that we don't have to cover up our entire top of the kitchen table with heat lamps. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna assemble these. We're actually gonna be able to put them out back on in the deck so that they can get the much needed sun that they need once they start to germinate. This is so we don't have to go ahead and build a big greenhouse. We can use these little ones which have got multiple shelves, get them started. That way it's quicker and easier for us to get them in the ground.
So we decided to leave these inside by the front windows, and it's been about a week and a half since I planted the seedlings, and this is what they're looking like. I need to replant my tomatoes today because they were very leggy. I'm gonna plant them deeper, and the cucumbers are looking good. I have little marigolds. These are peas, which I am going to have to plant in the garden probably tomorrow because they're already vining. And it won't get that cold, they'll be all right. My corn. And I have radishes back here, and these are the black beans, the first time I've ever done black beans. And they taken off. They're, whoa, that one back there, it's higher than the light. I'm gonna have to readjust the light. And over here I have radishes again. My bell peppers, very slow to germinate. And this is a cantaloupe, another radish. And down here I had pumpkin, watermelon, and some peas, and they're not doing anything, so I'm gonna have to replant those. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will keep you updated on our seedlings. You got anything to say, Sadie? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. We'll see you on the next video, right, Sadie?